1, 2, together, and then bringing it down, okay? Now that's the knot being created onto the skeleton. Now it's 3 to 4 hours a day, not 7 hours. Nobody can sit there and make a carpet like that, okay? Now once that's completed, the whole row, atkı yapıyoruz. We put in the vertical going through over the horizontal line. You see that right there? Okay? Alıyoruz şeyi vuruyoruz. Then we count it down very, very hard. That's packing it, right? That's going to be packed. Now once that's being packed and supported, we have scissors. These are called regulator scissors, right? They have a 45-degree angle here and a 45-degree angle there, right? And you have support right there. And you can have an adjustment. On silk, there is no adjustment. You want the final cut, okay? Then we cut the pile off. Kesiyoruz. And then you see the design, which is being created onto the skeleton.
Wow.
And then she restarts to do the whole thing all over again. So you're putting the knots on top, then you're putting the skeleton over it, packing it, then cutting it off. Okay? And then eventually you finish the carpet. So it takes time. Right? The carpet can take 6 years. Doesn't matter on the size, it depends on the knots. Right? So I'll be showing you carpets from different parts of Turkey, how long they take, and what we make. Is that okay? Right, am I boring you?
No.
Right, follow me this way.
This is incredible.
Like that.
Yeah, the designs are, I love it.
Each
Like a
square
pattern.
right there is one little knot. So if I'm here, it's white, 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 brown, 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 white, 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 white. That's right. And then you just go up. Exactly. Okay, let's go this way. Straight across. Just follow the gentleman over there.
You're amazing.
There's a reason.
That is beautiful.
Huh?
Thank you.
6 years.
But they, they keep doing like that.